Hello friends, the topic is variables in Java. Variables are very important as far as the core Java is concerned. In this video, we will discuss about three things related variables. That is, what actually the variables are, why we need a variable, how to declare and initialize the variable. So variable are like a container that has been used to store the data, or we can say these are the sort of memory that has been used to hold the data for a longer instance of time. The thing is, for example, if this is our memory, inside the memory I want to store up the data. Say for example, my data is 4. Although this program is being stored somewhere as a file, or we can say as a module, but the thing is we cannot directly assign this 4 to it. Hey program, this is our data, and save it over there. It will give an error because the thing is 4 doesn't exist in the program. Now what actually we will do, we will create a variable that is, for example, x, and we will assign this 4 to it. That is it. Now the thing is, x is actually a container that holds this 4. Now anywhere, whenever the program needs this 4, programmer will call x. Another thing is, why we need this variable in Java. As I have told you, we cannot directly assign the data inside a program, although our program is saved. What actually we are dealing with, the addresses. The thing is, this x has some clarified address, and on this address we have the data 4. Actually, there is a unique base address for this x where the data has been stored as a 4. I hope this is very clear to you. On the basis of addresses, we are actually retrieving the data. There's a need of a variable over there. Now the thing is, our third and very important topic is how to declare and initialize the variable. To declare the variable, we have first and foremost that is the type, and it depends upon the user what actually the type he needs. As per the requirement of his software, as per the requirements of his program, he needs the float. He can use the float, int. He can use the int or char. After clarifying the type, what type programmer needs, with the help of some name, he can end up the declaration. Now this age actually acts like here a container and is actually the name. The thing is, this compiler will look out the age address where we store something, and it is of type int. I hope this is very clear to you. Now the thing is, why we need this type over there, just to make the clarify to our compiler that the age that is being used right here as a name and is being used as a variable right there, it is of integer type. That means if there is no value at all, take the default value as 0 and take the range as of within the int, and if it is gone beyond the range, give an error. I hope this is very clear to you why we need a type in Java variables. Now we'll shift out to the initialization. Take a value with an equality sign and assign on the right hand side the declaration part. If we take a look, this and this, it is totally similar. Draw a equal sign, and on the right side give any damn value, say for example 4, and on the right side give your declaration. That is an initialization. I hope this is very clear to you. Now each and everything is up to user, but the syntax should be very optimal and the syntax should be very clear so that our compiler understand its own grammar. Now we will switch out to our programming demonstration, and we will look out the things so that we can understand the syntactical way and we can understand the logical way how the variables are being used in our Java program. Say for example, I have told you if I want to add up this 4 inside my memory so that I want to store up there, but the thing is it will give an error because the thing is it's not been a sufficient way to add up the data inside a program. Now what I will do, I'll say okay, I will create a container x and it is a variable. I hope it is very clear to you. This x holds the data 4. Now this x has some addresses. Now the thing is, I will give an type. Now, what actually this is, I have told you there is an equality sign over there, and on the right side you have to assign a value to it that you want to store, and on the right side you have to go for the declaration, and that will become an initialization. This is very clear to you. This is our initialization part, and I want to print up this. I say sys out, say for example x. Now the thing is how to declare things in how to declare a variable in our Java. Say for example I have int x. Now I have declared the variable of type x. Why is it mean? Okay, that's the same name. Int y. It will expect things from user, but I will not give it right here. I will show a programming demonstration how to take input from the user. That's a full-fledged concept that I may not clarify right here. Say this is our declaration part. Now the thing is, without declaration I can say I cannot do anything. Say if I say sys out, I cannot do anything. No, if I want to print out it say me that it's not been initialized. Initialize a variable. Say for example this, it will give me a 0. That's it. Because the thing is we have not initialized it yet. That's why there it gives an error. So for example, this is my declaration part, and I want to initialize it over there. I can say y is equal to 9. That's one more concept to declare and initialize the variables in Java. So if I give it a go and say whether it's been working fine or not, if you say that in the first line there's a 4 and x is equal to 4. Say for example I want to say like this, x is plus x, y is plus y. So if I save it and if I give it a go, so x is 4 and y is 9. I hope this is very clear to you. In the next video we will discuss about more topics like what are the scope and what are the types of variables in Java. So stay connected with me. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.